indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction and low miles. Features also include navigation system, parking sensors, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you 2012 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.